Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. Today we're unboxing Carolina Herrera's Shopping Continental pouch. This pouch comes in its own little cute red Carolina's signature dust bag. And once we open it, we can see the beautiful soft leather, very malleable pouch. It comes in 3 different sizes, a smaller one than this one. I think this is the medium. And then of course a larger one, but this size is really perfect to be used as a clutch, something that you need to put cards in, a passport. I personally use this for travel. You can see I have some travel specific cards on the side as well as their placeholders to give you a better essence of what can fit there. And then in this big, larger pouch over here, I actually fit my passport. In the smaller pouch, I can fit some currency from a different country or some receipts or things like that. Then you're left with a beautiful big open space at the bottom where you can fit your phone, a few other essentials, and just anything that you need to grab on the go. This pouch does have a wristlet feature that can be detached, which I'm not entirely sure the purpose of. I think it's so that you can add it to a bigger tote bag. But in any case, we use this as a wristlet, which just makes it very comfortable to carry. Thanks for watching this unboxing. Be sure to subscribe for more.